Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to resolve the Snapchat device ban issue. But before we dive in, make sure to check out our latest software linked below this video. Now, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed. To do this, open up the Google Play Store and check if there's an update available for Snapchat. Snapchat doesn't update automatically on your device, so it's important to make sure you have the most recent version to fix this problem. If you already have the latest version but the issue persists, don't worry, there are still a couple of things we can try. Next, let's try adjusting some settings on your phone. Find the Snapchat app on your device and press and hold its icon. Now tap on App Info. From here, you should see an option to clear data. Tap on it, then select Clear Cache. Clearing the cache will remove temporary files Snapchat has stored, which might help free up space and fix the device ban issue. If clearing the cache doesn't solve the problem, there's one more step we can take. For the final step, you can reach out to Snapchat support for assistance. Open any web browser on your device and search for Snapchat support. Click on the first result that says Snap Help or support.snapchat.com. Once you're on the website, look for the option that says My account is compromised and click on it. This will open a form where you'll need to provide some important information. Enter your Snapchat username, the email address and phone number linked to your account, and a description of the issue. In the description, explain that your account might be compromised and that you're experiencing a device ban. Make sure to ask for help resolving the device ban issue. Once you've filled in all the details, hit the Submit button at the bottom of the page. After submitting, you'll just need to wait for Snapchat support to get back to you. It may take anywhere from a few hours to a day for them to respond, so just be patient. After they contact you, follow up with any additional information they request, and hopefully this will resolve your issue. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe by using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.